Hey guys, Tony here. So as of last week, well, the weekend actually till now, I peaked at around 35K. I am down to 21K. So I did lose about, what's that difference? Like $14,000, I think. What am I buying though? I don't think I'm buying anything yet. I think for the most part, oh man, doggy's already at 30 cents. Yep, doggy's going back to 25. I literally just released the TA on my TikTok and YouTube, basically saying that I think that doggy is going down to 25 cents, which I do think is probably going to happen. But what am I buying as soon as, I do think that the dips kind of came in and stuff like that. The only way that I'm going to be buying is if Bitcoin, or once Bitcoin actually starts dropping back down to 30K, I'm going to look at the TA. I'm going to see how the bottoms have topped out, if any, and then I'll start buying. I'm not going to buy anything. Nothing right now. I think for the most part, I am going to wait until we cross the threshold of Bitcoin hitting 25,000, and then I'm going to start buying in. I'm probably going to buy around $10,000 split up between different crypto. For the most part, I think I am going to be buying plenty of Ethereum. I am going to buy a lot more Matic, Chainlink, Basic Attention Token, Stellar Lumens, Cardano. And I think I will be buying, I might buy a little bit more doggy if it dips down to like 7 cents, man. I don't think I'm going to waste my money on doggy if it's at 25 cents. I won't buy doggy again unless it actually hits like lows of, back to like 7 cents or something. I really doubt that I'll get back into doggy unless it goes that low again. I think I'll buy some Anchor, but I think for the most part, I will be splitting maybe around $10,000, maybe 20K, probably on Cardano, Stellar, Basic Attention Token, Chainlink, Matic, definitely Ethereum. I don't think I'm going to be buying any Bitcoin. A little bit of doggy, a little bit of DOT. For the most part, I think those are the ones that I'm going to be buying from here. And I think from my crypto.com account, I'll definitely be buying BTT. I do want to start buying VeChain. I actually don't have any VeChain. And there's another crypto that hasn't even been released yet that I'll probably make another video of that a little bit later, which I'm really excited. It's a new project. It's already backed by Coinbase. It's backed by a bunch of what is it called? Venture capitalists, or just people that fund you money, right? Or whatever the fuck they're called. But yeah, I think for the most part, I will be splitting minimum at least 10K into Cardano, Stellar, Basic Attention Token, Chainlink, Matic, Ethereum, DOT or Polkadot. And then, like I said, I'm not going to buy doggy unless it goes back to like 7 cents. And then I think I'm going to be buying BTT and also VeChain. But those are probably going to be on different accounts. But yeah, that's more than likely how I will be splitting my money up. Like I said, minimum I will be dropping 10K on all these positions, at least split up. But if we do see a significant drop down, so if we do see, I'm going to be splitting that position up as soon as Bitcoin crosses that 25K mark. That's what I'm going to be splitting it. And then if Bitcoin does cross $17,000, I will be splitting another 10K over the same positions. So that's my basic strategy for right now. I'll see you guys later.